Hello everyone, welcome back to BrewRatio. Today, we are excited to showcase a key feature of the Profitec Go that set it apart from many other espresso machines. On-the-fly OPV adjustment. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is OPV? OPV stands for Over Pressure Valve. It regulates the maximum pressure applied during espresso extraction. A properly adjusted OPV ensures balanced flavor, optimal extraction, and helps prevent over-extraction, which can lead to bitter or undesirable flavors. Most espresso machines with vibration pump can generate pressure of up to 15 bars. Depending on the model, some machines come pre-adjusted to 9 bar out of the box, but many does not allow user to adjust the OPV to their preference. This is where the Profitec Go truly shine. It features on-the-fly OPV adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the maximum pressure in real time without disassembling the machine. The adjustment screw is conveniently located under the cup warmer for easy access. Now, let us walk through the steps to adjust the OPV on the Profitec Go. First, install the included blind filter basket into your portafilter and lock it into your group head. No coffee required. Next, start a blank shot. You will see the pressure build up to the current OPV setting. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully adjust the OPV screw. Turn it clockwise to increase the pressure limit and counterclockwise to decrease it. Once the adjustment is complete, stop the blank shot and remove the portafilter. That's it. Your Profitec Go is now set to your new OPV pressure limits. This means no matter how fine your grind is, the machine won't exceed the adjusted pressure, ensuring a consistent extraction every time. In addition to the on-the-fly OPV adjustment, the Profitec Go offers other impressive features like PID temperature control and an oversized pressure gauge, making it the perfect choice for those seeking a feature-rich single boiler espresso machine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee tips and review. And if you are interested in the Profitec Go, check out our links below to get yours from BrewRatio Singapore.